Hello, this is Kathy from your success team at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over the accrued earning report. From your home screen, you'll see the visual for accrued earning. The dollar value shown below indicates the amount of incentive dollars that have been accrued but have not yet moved to a current earning status. As you know, certain health plans require a threshold to be met before the dollars earned can actually move over to an actual earned status. Clicking anywhere on this tab takes you to your actual accrued earning report. The report indicates all of the health plans that the practice participates with. By deselecting, you can view any individual health plan or several health plans. For this purpose, we'll go back to selecting all health plans, and you can see that your bar chart indicates by health plan the total amount of dollars that is in an accrued status but not yet earned. The box to your right indicates the total amount of all health plans that have been accrued but not yet earned. Selecting any specific bar for a health plan changes the visual to that health plan only. Clicking back on that bar takes you back to a visual for all health plans. The chart on the left is the amount of patients left within that measure to become current earnings. For example, in childhood immunization combo 3, there are 55 children that still need to be seen to reach the current earning status. The chart to your right indicates amount accrued but not yet earned by measure. So where here you're looking at numbers of patients, here you're looking at dollar value. Same scenario, childhood immunization combo 3. You have $8,550 yet to be earned before you meet the threshold and it goes into a current earned status. The report below shows missing services by patient. So you see the actual individual patient, you see the payment that's attached to this patient, the measure, the demographics for that patient, and the provider. Going back up to your home screen takes you back to the home screen where you can view current earnings and today's action list. We'll view current earnings and today's action list in a separate training module. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at the next training module.